Hi, welcome to this video. Publishing a BASE44 app to the App Store involves converting the progressive web app into a native app using BASE44's built-in mobile app builder or a third-party service. So all you gotta do is just head over to All Apps, BASE44. In my case, I already created an app called Beacon, right? So now the final step involves publishing the app. So I'm gonna hit publish here at the top right. So instead of web, I'm gonna just go ahead and switch to mobile app. In order to generate App Store or Google Play file, you need to upgrade your plan, right? So in my case, I'm gonna pay $99 a year, right, for developer account or pro account or builder account, excuse me, in order to generate a file so I can publish it in App Store or Google Play. Okay, and yeah, basically that's it, right? Key tips: no code required, right? Modern BASE44 updates allow for creating and building mobile apps directly within the platform, reducing the need for external tools. If native features are limited, some users employ third-party tools like AppMySite to convert the BASE44 PWA URL into an iOS build. You could run a quick scan in BASE44 to ensure your app meets store requirements. Ensure you have your app icon and necessary documentation ready before starting the submission process. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.